To transfer ETH on Base Network, start by understanding the basics of the network and the wallet you are using. Base Network is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, designed to increase transaction speed and reduce costs. To initiate a transfer, you need to have a compatible wallet such as MetaMask, and ensure it is connected to the Base Network. First, open your wallet and navigate to the account dashboard where you can view your ETH balance. Click on the Send or Transfer button to start the transaction process. Enter the recipient's ETH address, which is usually a long string of characters starting with 0x. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending ETH to the wrong recipient. Next, specify the amount of ETH you want to transfer. You can choose to send a specific amount or use the max button to send your entire balance. Be aware of the network fees, which may vary depending on the congestion of the network. Base network fees are generally lower compared to the main Ethereum network. After entering the recipient's address and the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the gas price and the estimated transaction fee. If you are satisfied with the details, confirm the transaction. Your wallet will then prompt you to enter your password or complete a biometric verification to authorize the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be broadcast to the Base Network for verification. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the network congestion. You can track the transaction status on a blockchain explorer or within your wallet. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure your wallet is updated and you have a stable internet connection. Also, be cautious of phishing scams and never share your wallet seed phrase or private keys with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely transfer ETH on the Base Network.